Il Made in Italy riscuote sempre più successo.
In the nautical sector, Made in Italy is increasingly successful, and this yacht has been designed and built in Italy by an Italian shipyard, and it is signed by a renowned Italian designer. We are about to discover and test Cranchi 62. Just a little over 20 metres in length and a flying bridge. With these two features, she can make it into the fleet of Cranchi's flagships. There is a strong family feeling with the larger models of the Cranchi fleet, the 67 and the 78. It was designed by Centro Studi Ricerche Cranchi Yachts together with Christian Grande. The regularity of the profile with the gunwale and the guardrail that run on the same level from bow to stern gives an elegant touch. The sides are moulded with lines that push to the exterior the part in which all the windows and portholes are grouped. This form gives dynamism to the hull. The magnificent vertical bow enhances the contemporary nature of the project and stretches the hull. The colour chosen for this model is particular grey Aurora. She challenges her larger sisters with absolute comfort lounging areas. In the bow, there is space for a living room with a sofa facing forward and sun deck with adjustable backrests.
Tutta l'area può essere riparata con una...
The whole area can be sheltered with a shade sail mounted on removable rods.
Ci si muove comodamente.
You can comfortably move from bow to stern through some large walkways protected by the guardrail and gunwale. Above us, the overhang of the fly makes us perceive the size of the upper deck. The upper deck is equipped with a long wet bar or a kitchenette unit with TV. Around the adjustable table, up to 8 people can comfortably eat by adding 2 folding chairs. When it is lowered, this becomes a coffee table. Aft, there is a nice sun pad, while at the bow, right next to the helm station, there is a sofa. The dashboard is modern and functional. The flying bridge is covered by a carbon T-top with central slat opening and an extensive awning at the stern. Two symmetrical stairs lead to the beach club, which is fully submergible, to launch and haul the 2.85-metre tender. If needed, the swim platform can support a tender or a water scooter. In the garage, there is space also for a water toy, and the shower and the loudspeakers are integrated in the hatch.
Negli interni si nota la capacità.
In the interiors, one can notice Cranchi ability to interpret a contemporary design in an original way. Some choices seem to be borrowed from the residential sphere, but the purpose is obvious: to create a comfortably relaxing environment. There is a clear continuity between the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing a seamless transition from the salon to the cockpit while maintaining class and elegance. Inside, we find teak on the ceiling and a teak-stained oak floor with wenge inlays, while outside, both the floor and ceiling are in teak. The steps of the staircase are stunning and notably thick, making them appear as a design element. The aft section of the salon is intended as an extension of the outdoor area, which is why the kitchen has been placed here. It serves guests whether they are seated around the indoor marble table or outside around a teak and steel table for 6. The mooring areas are hidden, as is the third helm station. The lounge area offers a relaxing atmosphere thanks to the colours and materials, such as the carpeted floor and the white lacquered ceiling. The furnishings include 2 light-toned, sinuous sofas and a low cabinet with a retractable TV behind it. The helm station is a technical area, and to separate it, a light partition has been installed as a boundary.
Nella postazione di comando
At the helm, there are 2 armchairs and 2 displays on the dashboard, for which the entire boat can be controlled, including the domotics and entertainment systems. The side door is extremely useful. When opened, it also helps refresh this area, especially in combination with the upwind opening hatch in the ceiling. The choice of a vertical bow goes beyond aesthetics. It serves to create more volume below deck, where there are 3 cabins and 3 bathrooms, in addition to the crew cabin. The owner's suite is located amidships. Upon entering, the bed is not immediately visible, ensuring a degree of privacy. On one side, there is a walk-in wardrobe. The teak bedside platforms are particularly beautiful and original, surrounded by soft carpeting. Along one side of the hull, there is a small reading sofa, on the other, a convenient chest of drawers. The walls behind the headboard and the TV are made of teak, crafted to achieve a wavy, 3-dimensional effect. The bathroom includes double sinks and all necessary amenities. At the bow, there is the VIP cabin, where a vanity area precedes access to the bed. The bed frame and bedside tables are covered in leather. The other guest cabin features 2 separate single beds, and it too includes the signature wavy 3-dimensional teak headboard. Like every cabin, it has its own private bathroom. At the stern, the crew quarter with an independent access.
La carena è stata progettata da Aldo Cranchi.
Hull was designed by Aldo Cranchi in collaboration with Volvo Penta for the installation of 2 IPS 1350 thrusters, inline 6-cylinder D13 engines with 1,000 horsepower each, and the pod drive by Volvo Penta, of course. At 800 RPM and navigating in displacement mode at the speed of 7 knots with a full tank of gas, we could run more than 1,000 miles.
Abbiamo un sistema automatico di controllo degli interceptor che riescono.
We have an automatic interceptor control system that is able to adjust not only the stroke angle, but also the lateral heel of the hull in veering or crosswinds and seas so that the boat is as horizontal as possible, parallel to the surface. It enters planing at the speed of 13 knots. At this speed, the consumption is 10 litres per mile. From here, the cruising speeds begin.
Al variare della mia andatura, noto come la prua resti sempre.
As my gait changes, I notice how the bow always stays just resting on the surface of the water, and the vertical stem obviously stays out, as it must. But the hull also barely leans and maintains this inclination at any gait. The interceptor system really works flawlessly. I don't have to worry about anything, and I don't have to do anything but look ahead, hold course, and accelerate. In fact, just in terms of heading, I have to say that I can let go of the rudder, even when I have the waves at the quarterdeck, or at the side bow, or at beam reach. Even if the boat for a moment loses direction, then it finds it again by itself, automatically. This is a very comfortable way of steering. An economical cruising speed, 17 to 18 knots, and we're at 12 litres per mile. Nice, very quick to change direction. One stroke of the rudder and the boat turns easily and quickly. It doesn't even feel like a 20-metre boat in your hands. I'm now bringing the engines up to maximum cruising speed. In evaluating this data, keep in mind that we have the boat with full fuel and full water. It is ready to make a long cruise, so it is equipped with everything we need: equipment, furnishings, everything. 2,100 RPM, cruising speed of 22.6 knots. Fuel consumption is 13 litres per mile. Now we are looking for the maximum performance of this Cranchi 62 62. 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62 62
Pur andando controvento abbiamo
Going against the wind, we touched the maximum speed of 28 knots.
per una navigazione in totale sicurezza da questi display anche
For
attraverso
total safety navigation, from these displays, including through the alarms, we can check that portholes and hatches are always closed.
Poi quando arriviamo in porto, naturalmente oltre al joystick che permette
Then, when we arrive in port, in addition of course to the joystick for easy manoeuvring, we also have a camera system that allows us to monitor the entire perimeter of the boat for even safer and even easier mooring.
insomma tutto
In short, everything that technology and electronics make available for yachts today can be found aboard this Cranchi 62.